Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob that was used on the Mazda 6 sedan between 2006 and 2008. And on the inside we're going to find a CR1620 battery. So go ahead and follow along and you should have your new battery in no time. First step, flip out the key because we need to use some kind of a tool, maybe a flathead screwdriver, to push up this layer of plastic here, this piece. So I'm going to hold on to the part on the left of this line because that's not going to be moving. We're going to push this up from that little rim. You can see once we have a little bit of space on the bottom part from just pushing, you can insert your flathead screwdriver and give a twist, finish it with your fingers, and we have these two parts totally separated. If this happens to you and this little part comes out, that is for the front buttons, just make sure you squeeze it back into place before you put that back on. Okay, here is our CR1620 battery. Going to use a precision screwdriver to remove this because you can't really get at it with your fingers. You can find these kinds of things online for a couple bucks. Can give a link to get something like that. If you just go in this bottom right corner, there's actually an arrow here indicating where you should go. And you put your tool in, push down to the bottom, and pull it back, sort of rocking. You can release the battery that way. Once again, bottom right corner, tool in, and just work it out like that. This is the 1620 battery. We're going to get a new one to replace it. Make sure this side with the brand and battery information goes down into this fob. This is the positive side, you can see. That is the positive side down. Slide it up. Oops. Slide it up into the part with the metal here. A little bit tricky. And then push down on the bottom. Let me show you. If you slide up and secure the top first, and then you push the bottom part in, it should be securely in its place. And finish up by putting the other part back on the face of the key. And you're good to go. That's all you need to do to put a new CR1620 battery in your Mazda 6 sedan key fob. Thanks for watching.